Mini churro cinnamon toast style. So today we got the sweet Hawaiian rolls. We got Great Value because that's all we can afford right now. Two eggs, I think.
Let me see. Alright, bro.
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Alright, bro. You don't
Two.
even like it, bro.
Some ground cinnamon.
I need these.
Just kidding, I do that. I don't want to die. Cinnamon challenge?
Yeah.
Try to do a quick cinnamon challenge? Or preview.
That's a lot.
Is it
We're
this?
actually gonna do the challenge right now?
Yeah.
I guess.
You think I'm gonna die or no?
Try it.
That's a lot.
Do it.
Yo, look at dry as fuck.
He's talking.
Dude, I thought shit nasty.
That made you choke?
It tastes like the.
Smells good though.
It does. You wanna try it?
No.
Shit tastes nasty.
Try it tomorrow, bro. So you could barf.
No.
And you be like,
You're not fucking
Alright, let's continue over here.
bro,
You got a little sidetrack. Damn. I don't know, I didn't look at the teaspoons or anything like that, so we're just gonna go ahead and wing it.
Bro, look. You're ranking the rubber was right there.
I don't know if it's good enough or not. I don't think it is. Milky. That's good.
fork. Was that very cold?
Pause the whole time. Really?
Alright,
I'm sorry.
Now the video's gonna be like 10 seconds. Alright. Just get to it because I'm hungry.
butter now?
Now we can do it. You want Mushu? Is that the?
Both these are good. Alright then.
I need a mic. I'm gonna let this whole sit for like a good 15-10 seconds, soak all that juice in.
And we're back. Bro, I didn't. Look how close I was having the six pack, bro. Look at these.
Make sure all sides are evenly crispy. Oh no, this bitch gonna be raw. Well, that's cooking right now. This is the ingredients because I forgot to say. Sweet Hawaiian rolls, Great Value, vanilla, cinnamon sugar, ground cinnamon, milky, and I just put 2 eggs. I'm not sure, I didn't watch the video fully or I forgot it. And you mix it all together in a bowl. You should probably mix it up better than that, but I was impatient, so yeah. And then cook till it's cooked crispy. Why are you getting close to me? Alright, now that we have all that done. Now we have all that done. And now that we have all that done, all we're gonna do is add the cinnamon at the end. I don't know if you wet it at the end. Oh well. This is my version. If anything, I'll make it better.
Those little bit brown.
Cinnamon. Try some more.
Bro, those not look like the thing.
How about we all just shut the fuck up?
Échale, no seas codo. Damn, his were drenched in it. That's what gives it all the flavor and turn it around.
That's that's gonna have you like fucking
Hella diabetes here.
all sick.
Try spit on it and then put some on it.
Spit on this D.
Ooh.
Hold on.
Ooh.
¿Qué le faltó eso?
Damn.
Oh my gosh, Betty! Jesus.
Alright, so the taste test. Cheers. I don't know if it's a cinnamon, but it kind of has like a weird taste to it. Try it. Like the cinnamon has a weird taste to it.
The fuck, this shit's not even cooked all the way.
That didn't cover.
Bro, that shit's not even cooked all the way, bro. This shit like crumble cookie. Alright, bro.
Look how dummy that shit is.
That shit not doughy, it's just not cooked, bro. Bro, talking about some chew. What is that glue?
Yeah. Be patient.
Yeah, I told you it's not.
But it's alright, man. I think I'd rather have him make it for me if I ever see him out there.
Hey, stay tuned for my video though. Dropping Monday.
Cut this part out.
Right away though. When they have fakes, just keep it there longer. Be patient. Other than that,
You are told not.
scoop.